The most overlooked wealth building strategy you need to try. Today, I will unveil the most overlooked wealth building strategy you need to try. This is not your typical save money and invest talk. This is next level wealth building using a strategy 90% of people ignore, but the wealthiest individuals quietly use to build empires. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a new tool in your arsenal that could change your financial future forever. What most people get wrong about wealth. Let's start here. Most people believe that to get rich, you either need to work insanely hard, get lucky, or inherit wealth. But that's not how most millionaires and billionaires do it. They use systems and strategies that multiply their money without requiring them to trade hours for dollars. So what's the strategy they use that you haven't tried yet? 2 words. Cash flow assets. This is the most overlooked wealth building strategy. Not stocks, not crypto, not high-interest savings accounts. Cash flow assets provide consistent, predictable income that allows you to build wealth automatically, even in your sleep. What are cash flow assets? Cash flow assets are income-producing assets that provide regular returns. Unlike investments that require growth and speculation, cash flow assets pay you monthly, quarterly, or even daily. Examples include rental properties, online businesses, dividend-paying stocks, royalties, ATMs and vending machines, peer-to-peer lending. The beauty of cash flow assets. They free you from the paycheck trap. Let's break down how. Why cash flow is the ultimate wealth multiplier. Let's compare 2 scenarios. Scenario 1. You invest $10,000 in a growth stock. It grows at 10% annually. In a year, you've earned $1,000, but you can't access it unless you sell the stock. Scenario 2. You invest $10,000 in a dividend stock or rental property yielding 10% annually. You make $1,000 in cash, and you still own the asset. You can reinvest the cash or use it as income. Cash flow equals flexibility, control, and compounding. This is how millionaires scale their wealth. By having streams of income they can reinvest again and again. How I discovered this strategy and why it changed my life. I used to focus only on saving and investing in growth stocks. I'd wait months, even years, for returns. It was slow, frustrating, and I felt stuck. Then I stumbled upon cash flow assets. My first one? An ebook I sold online. I created it once, and it started paying me daily. Next, I bought a dividend stock portfolio that paid monthly dividends. Then, I acquired a small online business, a blog that earned ad revenue and affiliate commissions. In 12 months, my cash flow exceeded my expenses. I didn't need a job anymore. That's when I realized cash flow is freedom. Step-by-step guide to building cash flow assets. Let me show you how you can do this, starting today. Step 1. Choose your cash flow asset. Pick an asset that matches your budget, time, and interest. Low budget. Ebooks, online courses, affiliate marketing. Medium budget. Dividend stocks, vending machines. High budget. Rental properties, SaaS businesses. Step 2. Create or acquire the asset. Create. Use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Gumroad to build and sell digital products. Acquire. Use platforms like Roofstock for property, Micro-Acquire for businesses, or Robinhood for stocks. Step 3. Automate income generation. Set up systems. Auto payouts for digital sales. Property managers for rentals. Reinvestment plans for dividends. Step 4. Reinvest earnings. Take your cash flow and buy more assets. This creates the wealth flywheel, cash flow that funds more cash flow. The wealth flywheel. How to 10x your money. Acquire a cash flow asset. Earn passive income. Reinvest into more cash flow assets. Repeat until you're financially free. Every millionaire uses this flywheel. The more assets you own, the faster your net worth grows, without you working harder. Little-known cash flow assets you can start today. Let's talk about some under-the-radar assets. Print-on-demand stores. Mobile apps, no code. Online memberships and communities. Car rentals through Turo. Storage units. These require minimal effort and produce consistent income. Avoid these common mistakes. Chasing hype instead of cash flow. Not reinvesting profits. Trying to do everything yourself, learn to outsource. Neglecting maintenance, keep assets healthy. Tools that made it easy for me. Here are tools I used to build cash flow assets: Teachable, sell online courses. Shopify, e-commerce store. Fiverr, outsource work. Robinhood, dividend stocks. Airbnb, rent property. These tools help you scale income passively. Success stories, proof this works. Let's look at real examples. Sarah created a $5,000 per month Etsy shop. James earns $1,000 per month renting his car. Lila makes $2,000 per month from a niche blog. These people aren't financial geniuses, they just used cash flow strategies. How much can you really make? Let's say you start with just $1,000. Invest in dividend stocks at 10% yield, $100 per year. Reinvest for 5 years, $1,600 plus. Now imagine you scale to $10,000 per month in cash flow, you're earning $120,000 per year while sleeping. This is real, and it's doable. Final thoughts: why this strategy is a game changer. Cash flow assets are the ultimate freedom tool. They let you escape the 9-to-5, travel and live freely, support your family, build generational wealth. Most people ignore this strategy. Don't be most people. Start small, be consistent, and watch your cash flow grow. Take action now. Pick any cash flow asset to start. Set it up in the next 7 days. Automate, reinvest, repeat. Let me know in the comments. Which asset will you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Cash flow builds wealth. Start now.